Hi everyone. Today we are going to automate our browser with a very powerful AI tool. So imagine trying to navigate a complex website where you have no idea how things works. Or think about those repetitive tasks that you hate doing. This tool can handle all of that for you. And it works on any task that can be done in a browser. All you have to do is give it a command, assign the task, and let it take care of everything. It will do all the work for you that is present in your browser. That means you can focus on work that matters while it handles the boring stuff in the background. So let's start with a simple demonstration. Imagine you are a first year student and you don't know how to make a GitHub repo private. Instead of figuring it out manually or going to the Google and search it for like how to do it, we can just type a command and the AI will handle everything for us. Let's try this out.
So the tool's name is taxi.ai. You can see taxi AI, and you need to write your command here. You can just type it. You can see the our repo is private. We want to make it public, so I'll just type this, make this repo public, and it should do all the work for us. Start working on the things. You can say it's saying that I should navigate to the settings page and repository to make it public, and it's doing it on its own. I'm not doing it. You can see my cursor here, and it's changing the visibility as well by its own. It's taking control of my browser currently, and you can see the action history as well, like what kind of actions it needs to take and what kind of action it's taking currently. It will take all the actions on behalf of us. Now you can see it's saying that I should click the checkbox to confirm that I understand the effect of making this repo public, and you can see it made us this repo public. It will confirm with the message. You can see it seems like I have already performed all the necessary steps to make repo public. Let's see if the repo is public or not. We'll go to the main repository. You can see it's public now. Previously it was private. So it's that easy. You just need to type a command and just go to your work, and it will do everything for you.
Okay, so let's talk about the features of this tool. We can choose the model as well in this extension, and this extension you cannot directly download from browser extension or something. You need to first build this repo in your local, and then you can just go to your Chrome browser, and in a developer mode you can just put that extension there. And you can just see all the details here, like how to install it, how to run it. First, let's see the features. You can see it's uh, it's scheduling the meeting for something. It's scheduling meeting for us. Like someone gave the command, schedule a stand tomorrow at 10 a.m. Invite developer taxi.ai. So it will do all the things for us. So it can schedule the meeting. It can do all the other works as well. And now let's see how to install this. So I've installed this in my local. First you need to just clone this repo, and you need to ensure that you have this package. Otherwise you can just install with pip install, and then you can just run this thing, yarn to install the dependencies and yarn to start. And then after building the package, you can just load your extension in the Chrome by navigating to chrome.extension, and you can just toggle that developer mode and click on load unpacked extension and select the build folder. Build folder is that when you just run these commands, you will get a build folder. From there, you can just you can just import that folder here, and that folder will get generated from yarn start. Okay. So, and you can see after that thing, we can just run it in our browser. It's that simple. So yeah, I guess I have covered most of the things here. You can see it's doing a lot of things, creating calendar events, choosing movies for us, and writing an essay in the OpenAI playground. It's doing a lot of stuff like for us. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, guys, this is the second video of our AI tools playlist. Here we are trying to cover all kind of AI tools that is currently going on in the market, and that will be helpful for US developers or student or a researcher. So we try to cover all kind of tools here in this playlist. So if you like these kind of videos, just please subscribe and give a thumbs up. And I try to come back with more other videos related to AI tools. Thanks for watching, guys.